current fees at MPFC? How many aircrafts are there in your Indore and Bhopal bases respectively? Is there any entrance exam? What is the syllabus like? How many students would be there in total in your Indore base? I have heard from a lot of students that the quality of MPFC is too good. Hello and welcome. Today we are joined by a student who recently completed his CPL training from MPSC just last month. And let's start by asking him how much time did it take him to complete CPL from MPFC?
It took me around 17 months. The date of my anorexia.
Okay. And what base did you choose?
I was at Indore MPFC.
Hmm. Okay. What is the current fees at MPFC?
It's like 43, 44 lakh, something between that, because it varies accordingly to the surcharge, fuel surcharges going with the time. It's like 18,000 per hour, then 800 for your instructor fees.
Acha.
For single engine, this is for a single engine. 172s and 152s. And for multi engine, it's around 45,000. And same instructor fees and surcharges. Surcharges is around, I'm not sure about Baron surcharge right now, but it's around 2,000 rupees per hour. Yeah.
Acha. ठीक है. So the surcharges are not included in the quotation they provided.
No, surcharges actually there is a base fuel charges. Like if the fuel prices hike goes beyond 185 rupees, for an example, for an app there, so they increases your surcharge. And if it's like 185, so they won't charge you for any surcharge. Like it depends on the time you are having your training. Like if you are in some, it might be depending on the month you are flying on.
हाँ हाँ.
But for the time being, it has been stable.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, the fees, does it include accommodation वगैरह?
No. Their accommodation is not provided over there because it's based on Indore airport itself. It's an international airport, so it's no accommodation is provided and no hostel is there. They might assist you in getting some rentals and hostel, yeah, PGs basically
Mm-hmm.
nearby to the airport. So there are a lot of flights, and sometimes students share their flights also. Like they rent a 3 BHK over there and like share between them.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है. और if someone wants to join MPFC, is there any entrance exam?
Yeah, there is an entrance exam conducted once a year. So there are this time 250 to 300 people gave the exam, and out of that 15 people got shortlisted for the main list, like 10 for Indore base and 5 to 6 for Bhopal base, and there was a standby list for of 10 people also.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is a written exam, right?
Yeah, written plus Viva. First, there is a written exam. Like you need to enroll for that exam, and after that, there is an Viva. If you scored in merit list of the written exam, after that, like based on your score, you are provided by the month of induction for your CPL training. So after that, it depends on your score basically.
Mm-hmm. And what is the syllabus like for the exam, the written exam?
The syllabus is like 10 plus 2 maths, physics, general knowledge, and English. Yeah, a bit of a language. Mhm.
How many aircrafts are there in your Indore and Bhopal bases respectively?
Yeah, there are 2172. Like I'm talking about Indore base right now. So there is one Beechcraft Baron G58, like one of the most powerful multi engine in light category.
Yeah.
Yeah, and two 172s, like 172R and 172S, Winter Tango, Mike for Foxtrot, Victor Tango, Alpha Charlie Kilo, 1152, yeah. Three single engine and one multi engine, and in Bhopal there are two 172s, yeah.
Two 172s. Bhopal, they don't have a multi. And how many students would be there in total in your Indore base?
There are around 30 students right now in the base. Yeah, 30 students. I hate vary, like some of they are on the completion stage. So like 5 people are on the completion stage. So they might be going, 5 people might be winding up their CPS. The induction is in January right now. This year induction, second, I told you about the second entrance. Like this year, there was to be around two entrance examination,
Yeah.
but now it has been postponed to January. Yeah,
Hmm. Okay. And how many flight instructors would be there in MPFC?
there are like 5 flight instructors. One is at the Patter stage right now.
All right. And does MPFC also provide ground classes?
Oh no, MPFC does not provide ground classes as such,
Mm-hmm.
but there is an affiliation to some ground class. Like
So it's like a third party that is providing ground classes. You have to pay them separately if you want to join them, right?
yeah, it's not included in your CPL fees.
Mm-hmm.
The 43 lakhs quotation that was just flying part, flying plus ELP. Yeah, ELP and SIM also, SIM out this year.
That's great.
This is including multi-engine.
Mm-hmm. Acha, so you have to take single and multi both in order to get your SIM and ELP included.
No, like SIM charges are different. SIM and ELP charges are 25,000 for your classes. After your completion of your ELP classes, you need to go to Bhopal base for your ELP exam.
Okay.
So 25,000 ELP fees is included, and SIM charges around 3,000, I think.
Okay.
I'm not sure about this. I need to check my statement for this.
It's fine. And yeah, I have heard from a lot of students that the quality of MPFC is too good.
Yeah, yes, the quality wise, MPFC is like one of the best because I'm having friends in other flying clubs as well. So I got to know the environment in what we are in, like international level of ATC. First of all,
Huh.
that gives us another level of confidence. Like if we go in another airspace, like for our cross country,
Mhm.
so this provides us with lot of confidence. Second thing is like runway maintenance. Runway is based at Indore Airport, so they need to maintain an international quality of runway.
Mhm.
And maintenance wise, engineers and staff, quality of instructors, like amazing. You are having family like bond with your instructors. All the festivals are celebrated together. Like recently Ganesh Chaturthi happened, so we had Ganpati ji at MPFC, and there are ADTC interactions as well as there is a match happens once a year between that's combines of full airport in which CISF teams come, MPFC teams come, Air India teams come, Indigo's teams come, Airport Authority of India teams come. So there is a different environment over there. Yeah.
Yeah. That's great.
Yeah, you need to have a good life balance as well.
That's great. And if someone wants to join MPFC, do you think there is something very important, or there is anything that you want to tell to someone who is looking to join MPFC? Any thoughts?
Just focus on your flying. I would say that. Instructors are great. Everything is great over there. But you need to have a mentality that you need to learn, basically.
Okay.
So that's the most important thing. मतलब आप जा रहे हो वो चीज़ सीखने फ्लाइंग इज लाइक आपका करियर आपके पीछे आगे जाके आप पायलट बनने वाले हो तो आपके पीछे 200 पीपल की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और मोर पीपल की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहेगी सो लर्न दैट थिंग मतलब आप एकदम उस पर फोकस कर लो मेरे हिसाब से
It's a very great thought. And I think you would say yes, but still I would ask, if you were given a second chance, would you still prefer MPFC for your CPL?
110% sure.
All right. So I think that's all. We got a pretty good idea of the school. And thanks a lot for your time and sharing your honest experience there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
If you want me to continue this series and make more such videos on some other flying school, then you can let me know in the comments which flying school you want me to cover next. And if you yourself are a student of a particular flying school and you want to share some insights about this school, then you can fill a form which is attached in the description, from where we'll set up a quick anonymous call and you can share your thoughts about a particular school there. And guys, do not take this video as a guide to avoid or join any particular flying school. Do your own research, because this is based on one student's personal experience at a flying school. So do your own research and then only decide which flying school you want to join or avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.